your 2019 homecoming MCs.
Good morning, class of 2020! My name is Carson Francis.
My name is Kevin Schuyler.
We are proud to be your MCs for today's homecoming ceremony. In just a few moments, we will be introducing to you the members of the 2019 homecoming court. These 14 students have represented your class on the athletic fields, in clubs and extracurricular activities, and in the classroom.
Without further ado, we present to you the 2019 homecoming court.
Please welcome the first member of our homecoming court, Mr. Jamin Crosby. Jamin is actively involved here at the high school. He is in over 10 extracurricular activities, including the NPHS chorus, men's choir, chamber singers, orchestra, SGA cabinet, NPTV, link crew, core link leaders, thespian troupe, North Penn Theater, and lastly, he's the vice president of the Thespians. Jamin has been in every North Penn High School theater production since entering high school. In college, he plans to continue with theater and major in acting. We would like to thank Mrs. Roney for always being there for him and helping him find his passion and love for theater. Outside of school, Jamin works at Chick-fil-A and loves to hang out with his friends. His favorite quote is, "Unless someone like you cares a whole awful lot, nothing is going to get better. It's not." Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Jamin Crosby.
Our next court member is Aaron Ching.
I'll be the last one standing, 2 hands in the air, I'm a champion. You'll be looking up at me when it's over. I live for the battle, I'm a soldier. Yeah, I'm a fighter like Rocky. Put your flag on your back like Ali. Yeah, I'm the greatest, I'm stronger.
Aaron has been an athlete in unified bocce and unified track for the past 3 years at North Penn. Her biggest accomplishment is winning states in her sophomore year, where North Penn's bocce team won their first state championship in the first year of the team's creation. She enjoys saying hi to her teachers in the hallways and in the classroom. Erin likes to do photography in her free time. Her future plans include a career in the arts or music fields. Erin's favorite quote is, "We generate fears while we sit. We overcome them by action." Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Erin Ching.
Our next court member is Mr. Ryan Greene. Ryan's favorite thing to do in his free time is skiing. Ryan has skied for 5 years and has been a member of the Ski and Board Club since 8th grade. He had a busy summer working as an assistant manager at Rita's, volunteering at Mitzvah Circle, and jet skiing and parasailing at the beach. Ryan enjoys hanging out with his friends and family and playing video games. His future career plan is to work as a computer programmer while living somewhere with lots of good skiing. His favorite quote is from Bill Gates: "Choose a lazy person to do a hard job, because a lazy person will find an easy way to do it." Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Ryan Greene.
Our next court member is Gianna Costello. Gianna has been playing softball for 13 years and plays on the North Penn team. She is also a part of the Spanish Honor Society, Mini-Thon Committee, and works with ESL students during her free periods. When she grows up, Gianna wants to be a special education teacher and currently babysits a kid with Down syndrome every day after attending career study at Gwynnor Elementary. Additionally, Gianna plans to travel to different Spanish-speaking countries in her future to help kids learn English, as inspired by Dr. Hall's Dominican Republic trip last summer. Her favorite quote is, "It is okay to be a masterpiece and a work in progress at the same time." Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Gianna Costello.
Jack Kim. Jack has been playing water polo since he was 6. He won 2 state titles in back-to-back years with his team. He has been the vice president of the class since sophomore year and enjoys being the president of the Spikeball Club. He also enjoys being a member of the Political Activism Club, Jewish Cultural Club, Special Olympics, National Honor Society, and FBLA. He plans to go to college and major in business and have boatloads of fun along the way. His favorite quote is, "Life is like a sandwich. No matter which way you flip it, the bread comes first." Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Jack Kim.
Our next court member is Sierra G. You may know her by G, C, CC, or as Dem Kid would say, Speedy CC. From the very beginning, Sierra knew she was meant to be an athlete. She has played just about every sport, although her 2 major sports are field hockey, which she has played for 8 years, and track and field for 7 years. Sierra is currently in the middle of the field hockey season and hopes to run track in college at a D1 or D2 level. Not only is she a student athlete, but Sierra also works 3 jobs on the side as a camp counselor, waitress, and cashier at a pizza shop. Sierra is involved in many clubs, including the AAAC, Best Buddies, Key Club, and Democrats Club. She is also a new member of the React and French clubs. Her future plans include pursuing a job in the STEM field while possibly running an elite dance school on the side. If you know Sierra, Michael Jackson is her favorite artist. In the words of MJ, it's better to fail in originality than to succeed in imitation. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Sierra G.
Our next court member is Mr. RJ McNamara.
Cashing in my bad luck. Some nights I call it a draw. Some nights I wish that my lips could build a castle. Some nights I wish they just fall off.
RJ has been playing football for 12 years. He's the captain of both the football and lacrosse team. He has been a part of the ski and board club for 4 years now. He likes to spend time with his friends in his free time. His future plans include attending the University of Delaware to play football. His favorite quote is effort and attitude. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. RJ McNamara.
Our next court member is Debra Ku. As Sierra G would say, DeBron James is a member of the French Club, Class Cabinet, NHS, and FCA. She also is a captain for the North Penn field hockey team. In her free time, she enjoys spending time with family and friends, as well as helping others, especially with volunteering at Vacation Bible School during her summers. She plans to continue her education and play field hockey at Swarthmore. Finally, she would like to thank her family for their loving care and support. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Debra Ku.
Our next court member is Mr. Josh Martinez.
You come around here, you ease my mind, you make everything feel fine. Worry about those comments, I'm way too numb, yeah. It's way too dumb, yeah.
Josh has been going to this school for many years. He likes to listen to music and hang out with his friends. Netflix is one of his favorite hobbies, and although he plays no sports, he likes to go for walks with his dog, Zoe. He has been in a NAC club for a year and plans to major in business after graduating, hopefully somewhere not too cold. A quote that inspires him greatly is when Travis Scott says, "When I'm with my squad, I can do no wrong." Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Josh Martinez.
You ease my mind, you make everything feel fine.
Our next court member is Val McGrath. In her free free time, Val can always be found participating in some kind of sport. She is currently a 3-sport athlete with volleyball, track, and predominantly basketball. Val has been hooping since the 7th grade and plans to continue her career in college. She is involved in the AAAC club and is now a leader of FCA. If Val is not playing a sport, then she is doing artwork or listening to her favorite music. She also enjoys helping others with their problems, so she plans to major in psychology to prepare her for her dream job as a therapist. Val's favorite quote is, "Spread love wherever you go. Let no one ever come to you without leaving happier." Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Val McGrath.
Our next court member is Mr. Peter N.G. Peter is the current president of the Japanese Language and Cultural Club. He is a member of the Chinese Cultural Club, Investment Club, ADAPT, and National Honor Society as well. In his free time, he likes to play basketball, watch movies, and read. He also volunteers at the Abington Lansdale Hospital and his church every weekend. His future plans include going to college and having a career in the medical field. His favorite quote is, "Don't let anyone steal your dreams." Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Peter N.G.
Our next court member is Elena Malay.
Waking up in my college dorm. Yeah, my life, it was pretty normal. Looking for a date to the spring.
Elena has been playing basketball for 12 years and is now the captain of the North Penn girls team, and is also on the lacrosse team. She enjoys hanging out with her friends and volunteering at Lansdale Hospital, as well as Towamencin Fire Company. Elena spent time in the Dominican Republic this summer, volunteering at a local school as well. She is also involved in Key Club, National Honor Society, and is on the executive board for Minithon. Elena plans on studying clinical psychology somewhere warm. Her favorite quote is, "Look around and appreciate what you have, because nothing will be the same in a year." Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Elena Malay.
Our next member of the court is Mr. Justin O'Neill.
Gotta clean it like right now. Know I can't wait to do right now. Get guap on the one, what you like now? Turn it up from the morning to the night now. That's the reason I wanna fight now. Come on down and shine like a loud. Pull up, walking, everybody yell like watch out.
Breathe in, breathe out. Shake it up, speed up, go fast, slow down. Breathe in, breathe out. Shake it up.
Justin enjoys photography, hanging out with his friends, traveling, watching football, and making videos at the high school. He is an active member of FBLA, Key Club, Best Buddies, Salsa Club, Epics, and of course NPTV. His future plans are to pursue his dream of being a famous Hollywood screenwriter. In the process, he would like to earn an Academy Award for his work. His favorite quote is, "They call me Judd," said by none other than himself. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Justin O'Neill.
Long as she get her beauty rest, then I'm on board. Got that. Go away.
Our next court member is Julia Stevens. Julia has been swimming since she was 9 years old and is a part of the swim team here at North Penn. She enjoys going to the beach with her friends, cheering on home football games, and going to concerts. Julia is the recording secretary of the SGA and is also involved in NHS, Link Crew, and High Schools Against Cancer. Her favorite part about North Penn is the size and the amount of opportunities offered here. Julia hopes to attend college and major in occupational therapy or education. Her favorite quote is by Andy Bernard from The Office. "I wish we knew when we were in the good old days before you actually left them." Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Julia Stevens.
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for your 2019 Homecoming Court.
All right, there's your 2019 Homecoming Court. Voting will be sent to you via link in your email, everybody. So check your email. Voting will start today. So as soon as this assembly's over, today you'll get an email, and that's how you guys will be voting for your 2019 court, which will be crowned tomorrow night at the football game.